Craig Kears, and this is another installment of the In Conversation With series. So previously we have talked to Martijn van Horsen, CEO of 24i, Ramon Duivenvoorden, Chief Commercial Officer at 24i, and Ryan Shonatry, GM at Topic. So right now we are talking to Pim Verbij, VP of Product at 24i, and we wanted to talk specifically and a little bit generally about a new product stack that 24i is launching to the market. I wanted to have a conversation here with him to discuss what this means for 24i, what this means for the market, and maybe what it means for you. So, Pim, good to see you. Thanks for joining.
Thanks for having me, Craig. Good to see you too.
I want to say, first of all, nice shirt. I know you always have very good taste in shirts. So this is actually our 24i uniform. They make us wear this. We can't wear anything else. It's just chambray shirts. So to just kind of kick us off a little bit, I know that we've launched the 24i video experience platform. We've been doing apps and providing video services for 10 years. Just to kick it off with one of the hard-hitting question, what's different about the video experience platform? Why is it new?
As you said, Craig, we've been doing this for more than 10 years. We've been building apps for more than 10 years across all different kinds of devices. And what we've done now is we brought together a lot of that logic in a single code base. This means we can deploy apps across devices with one single logic. Also, we're working in a more productized way, meaning we share more of the logic across the apps and share more of the components between the backend and the middleware. And this means for our customers that they can move to the market quicker and that they can have a product that is still highly configurable and scalable and can grow with them as they grow. And that's the heart of it, really.
Awesome. So fast time to market and also increased configurability. Sounds great to me. So can you explain how you address these in the video experience platform? So kind of those points, how do we do them?
The video experience platform is really three parts. It's a front-end system to build apps called Smart RTT, and we use that across all different devices. So it's one code base to deploy to all these different types of devices, one way of configuring them. This means, not developing for specific platforms, while still maintaining apps that are very fast and responsive, highly scalable, and really nice to look at. So that's one part. So by reusing components and building the apps in a smart way, we can build them faster there and make them more scalable. The next part is an important part. That's a product called Backstage, and that's our app management system as well as our integration management system, and it really ties together all the parts of the 24i video experience platform as well as connect to our partners. This has grown from basically a simple CMS to a full-blown management system. And it's really the heart of the operation. The last part is the engine is the part that allows us to deliver video, whether it's for a Vault or operator type solutions. That's called Smart Video, and that's a cloud or a hybrid cloud solution that allows us to do live streaming and on-demand streaming, as well as catch up, recordings, and all the things you've come to expect of a modern video platform.
On a previous episode, I talked to Ramon about microservices. How do those factor into the video experience platform?
Well, we've tried to set up this video experience platform in a modular way. From a development perspective, this makes it easier to maintain and to focus on specific parts. And the idea of microservices is you have a single service that's designed to do a single task or a set of tasks around a single objective, basically, right? And this means that you can also exchange a microservice for another microservice that does a similar task. So you separate logic from functionality. So that's a thought we've tried to put in our video experience platform as well. So for instance, if you want to work with partners, we can exchange one of our microservices for and put in this service from the partner. So let's take, for instance, recommendations. The video experience platform by default comes with basic recommendations. So there's a microservice that organizes that takes information from the user, information from the watch history, information from the subscription or whatever, and builds recommendations around that. So it takes input and outputs recommendations. Of course, there are partners that we work with that have far more advanced recommendation capabilities, and that actually specializes solely on that. So if one of our customers is in need of a more complex recommendation system, a more advanced system, we can switch out that microservices without touching any of the other logic, because we abstract the logic. So the input and output stay the same. We still put data in to calculate the recommendations, and we still get recommendations out. The logic behind that, of course, is more complex.
One final question that I wanted to ask, and it's a pretty important one. With the video experience platform, what are some of the needs that we've seen in the marketplace that we're trying to help address with this?
24i has always been an end-user centric company. We've always built apps that were directly in contact with the end user, and therefore we see ourselves as the ultimate end user advocates. We value that experience, the quality of that experience, very highly. And now that we're able to offer far more in the video chain, all the way up to hardware, the streaming, and the management software, we want to offer the same level of quality and experience for the users of those systems. By tying it all together and being able to offer it as a bundled service, we give the power and the flexibility to our customers to configure the service the way they want, right? And still have the fast time to market. So rather than tying together services and taking a long time to deploy, we can offer a solution very fast that's still configurable. One other thing we're of course doing here at 24i, each day we're looking at how we can optimize the way we deliver the projects basically. So we build a product that allows us to deliver projects efficiently. That means using components across projects. That means making sure that our workflows are efficient, and that's really we're taking that to the next level with the video experience platform. We're really optimizing the way we work and the technologies we use. So we use smart technologies. So an example of that is using a single code base. We're using microservices. We're all API based connectors. So we're using modern technology to deliver at a product that's solid.
Sure, and if it's easier for us to develop with, then that obviously makes it easier for our clients to use. So
exactly, and we can focus more on fine tuning the UI and the things that make it special, rather than playing video. That should be should come out of the box basically.
Thanks so much for sitting down with me today to talk about the video experience platform as our next episode in conversation with. So thanks, Pim, for talking today, and thanks everyone for tuning in, listening, watching. See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you very much.